So I do have ND filters for the new Action 3 camera, and let's see how this looks like. Look at that, it comes with a cleaning towel. Look at that, how nice. And then here we have a circular filter, and from what I see here, that looks much smaller than the original one. Let's see how that goes. Down here it looks the same. Okay, let's take this out. Let's see how this goes. Look at that. There we have a great anti-filter on it. And it just looks a lot smaller than the original one because the rubber is not on there, I think. Here, there's the original one. There is here a UV filter. And then different NDs. Then you turn this on. There. You can see with more clarity. Right? And yeah, so 5 filters on here. Skyreat. This was ND8. This one is a CPL. I'm going to try this outside. So, CPL filter, and then you can turn it here. There's a little marker, as you can see. Then you can turn it to the degree you want. We have ND4 and the look at the box here. So we have the circular filter, and then we have ND4, 8, 16 and 32. And then the circular on here. Now let's go outside and take a quick video and see how the circular filter looks like. So we do have a circular polarizer filter on now, and we looking at some reflective surfaces like those panels. And then I'm going to turn the filter around, and we see here, this is the moment where it turns it down, right? I'm just going to see what it looks like in there. I don't know if you can hear how I turn it. There we have reflections on the panel. You can see this on the panel. Now I can turn the reflections off with the circular filter. That's how this goes, right? So that's the setting. And if I turn further, then you do see reflections here on that glass. Now if I turn further, here, this is the position where I can turn the reflections in this off. So you may use that when you film in the area close to windows and stuff, if you don't want reflections. And there is Lucy, the dog.